NATA 2024 examination dates are drawing near. And after the grand success of our 51-day NATA crash course, we have come up with exclusive Part A preparation. Part A, yes, you're right, consists of the drawing practices. Now, as per the NATA directives, these are the type of questions that they are going to ask, totaling to 80 marks. Now, what will exactly be these questions all about? So, we are covering around 20 different topics which fall under both foundation as well as advanced drawing course for exclusively for all you students only at a throwaway price of 2999. So, what are you waiting for? Let's see what do we have in this particular course for you. So, we are providing the complete drawing session with topic-wise lectures. Please remember there are 20 different topics and each topic will consist of few lectures. Class and homework activities with these topics. So, हमें पता है कि हम लेक्चर सारे बच्चे देख लेते हैं, बट सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ क्या होती है? सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ होती है कि हम आपको कुछ ना कुछ टास्क डेलीगेट करें जो कि आपके एग्जामिनेशन से रेलेवेंट हो. सो यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस ढूंढने के लिए मेहनत नहीं करनी है, क्योंकि हम आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं क्लास और होमवर्क एक्टिविटीज जो कि आपको बहुत ही डेलिजेंटली सारे डूज एंड डोंट्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए करना है. Of course, we have PYQ solutions. We have given mock questions to our students, and also something that you did not get it before, but we have come up with exclusively for the students who are opting for this particular course. Although it is a recorded lecture course that you are opting for, but keeping in mind your feasibility, we have come up with feedback to students session. So anybody who's buying this particular course, so not only they are studying through our recorded lectures and doing the home and class activity, but in case they want to interact with us, they can very well do it. So you will be added in a WhatsApp group, and whatever task you are working on, whatever homeworks you are working on, you can always send in your work in the group and the faculties will give you your feedback. Apart from feedback, we have 3 doubt solving sessions also. So students will be attending these live classes, which are 3 in number, and interacting live with the faculties, and whatever doubts they have in part A, they can get it solved then and there through the faculty. So here is the list of topics that we have in the foundation drawing. Please remember, the foundation drawing topics are to develop your skills. They are elementary and entry level. And this is the advanced level of drawing, where a certain amount of maturity and certain amount of finesse and concept is required by all the students. So let's see what is the content of this particular course. In the foundation, I have given you a glimpse. We have basics of drawing 2D composition, which is arranging the 2D shapes in a particular manner, keeping in mind the principles or the elements or the theoretical part of drawing. Then we have 3D composition. Again, coming up with visually appealing compositions where we are using 3D structures. And do not forget that we are providing you live recorded lectures and sketching, past year paper solution, and class activity and homework solution. So in these topics, in each topic we have a particular number of recorded lectures which have been given to you, and also there are dedicated class activity and homework activity for each and every topic. Next is basics of drawing and color entering, where we learn how to use pencil colors and create very vibrant compositions. Basics of drawing, which is object drawing and still life. As we all know, the understanding of object drawing and the technicalities of object drawing or structure or form understanding becomes very important for students who are appearing for NATA examination. So this particular topic will be dealing with anything and everything that you need to understand object drawing and still life as a topic. Then we have color theory, elements and principle of design and color theory. Then we have something, a topic which is table composition, both vertical and horizontal. So you might not have heard about stable compositions before, but this is what exactly we are going to do. We are going to introduce you to certain technicalities and topics which are extremely relevant to NATA examination. Here we focus exclusively on the examination, on the NATA examination, which makes the work of the student very easy. They don't have to brainstorm into looking for the relevant material. Why? Because each and every material or topic which is relevant for your examination has been discussed within these topics. Next is basics of graphic design, one of the very important topics that we cannot miss out on. Scale and proportion. So it is important for every architecture student to be aware about what is scale and what is proportion. Are they two different things or are they two related? So this is what we are going to study in the topic scale and proportion. And also, if you get those tricky questions where you have been asked that there is a glass or a water bottle which is of a size of a coconut tree, make that in that proportion and make a human in a different proportion. So these kind of tricky questions you have to work on if you are absolutely aware about scale and proportion. Next is importance of texture and psyrography, something again which constitutes of NATA drawing part is knowing textures, knowing the look and the physical and the visual aspect of a particular surface, and also how light and shadow are behaving. Next is basics of perspective. Basics of perspective, all of you, anybody who's appearing for the NATA examination is very much aware about this particular topic, one of the most important topic. But what are the key points? What are the easy tips and tricks that you need to know to perform well in your examination? Right? So that is what we have summed it up for you. We have summed it up for you so that आपके लिए ये particular topic बहुत easy हो जाए और कुछ tips और tricks के मदद से आप अच्छे 3D perspective drawing कर पाए. Then we come to the advanced level. Now at this particular point, we assume that you have already attained skill, a certain amount of skill. Now what is required? Your concept and your ideas are required. So we have to make sure that before coming up to the advanced level, you study the foundation part thoroughly and also do not forget to complete the homework lessons. Okay? और जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, आप हमारे WhatsApp ग्रुप में रहोगे अगर आप ये कोर्स को खरीदते हो. So do not forget to send in your work regularly because our faculty team are working tirelessly to solve your problems so that you can perform well in your examination. And also, you are studying in the comfort of your home. So we want that your whole process of preparation should be as convenient and as easy as we can make it for you. So again, in the advanced drawing, we have 2-point perspective interior, 2-point perspective exterior. So both interior and exterior we have segregated them so that it becomes easy for the students to understand. Again over here 3-point interior and exterior have been segregated because there is a lot of things that you will be studying over here and in terms of interior, and there is a lot of things that you will be studying in terms of exterior. Please remember that 3-point perspective is all about the different eye levels. Bug's eye view, bird's eye view. So bird's eye view in interior, bug's eye view in interior and exterior, they will look different, right? And we are not really aware of what question would be given in the examination. So it's always better to prepare ourselves to the fullest. Next is human anatomy. A lot of students, they struggle with drawing good looking human figures, and that is something which is very important. क्यों important है हमारे लिए ह्यूमन फिगर्स इतना ड्रॉ करना? क्योंकि इन एग्जामिनेशंस का कहना है कि ह्यूमन फिगर्स एक ऐसी चीज है, या ह्यूमन फेसेस एक ऐसी चीज है जो हम 24/7 हम देखते रहते हैं, बट उसी चीज को रिकॉल करके एक पेपर पे बनाना, दैट requires a certain amount of skill set and a certain amount of recall value. आपकी अगर recall value अच्छी है, if you know how your pencil needs to be moved, then of course you can draw a good human anatomy. बट हम यहाँ पे आपको easy कुछ tips and tricks बताएंगे जिससे आप कम समय में इस particular skill को master कर सको in terms of your examination. Then memory drawing, extremely important topic जो कि हमने एंड में रखा है, बिकॉज मेमोरी ड्राइंग जो है वो पूरा एक एमालगमेशन है ह्यूमन फिगर्स, पर्सपेक्टिव, ऑब्जर्वेशन, कलर थ्योरी, टेक्सचर, हर एक चीज़ का कॉम्पोजिशन, आपके कॉम्पोजिशन मेकिंग स्किल्स किस तरीके से, तो ये सारी चीज़ें हमारे मेमोरी ड्राइंग में एक्सक्लूसिवली आ जाती है. एंड सिंस दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, इसीलिए हमने इसको 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया है. सो वी हैव मेमोरी ड्राइंग पार्ट 1 एंड मेमोरी ड्राइंग पार्ट 2. सो आई होप यहाँ तक आपको बहुत आसानी से हमारा कंटेंट समझ में आ रहा है. और इन केस यू हैव एनी डाउट्स, कैन ऑलवेज गिव अ कॉल ऑन द नंबर्स विच आर गिवन बिलो, एंड वी विल बी हैप्पी टू हेल्प you and counsel you in terms of these particular topics. Also, please download our app KP Classes Exam Prep, and you will be finding the link to these courses over there. Then we have murals and graffiti. Now, what is murals and graffiti? This is something which is part of your architecture, and a lot of times in the past, murals or graffitis पे questions आ चुके हैं. Now, they are more towards value addition, but कहीं ना कहीं ये student के aesthetic sensibilities पे बहुत ज़्यादा वर्कआउट करते हैं. सो एनीबडी हु इज हैविंग अ वेरी गुड एस्थेटिक सेंसिबिलिटी विल कम अप विद aesthetic and good looking murals and graffitis, and of course concepts and ideas are something to be worked on. Then we have a topic which is in terms of logo design and book cover. In the past we have seen that questions related to book cover, magazine cover, logo designing, basically they fall under graphic design. So these particular topics are pretty common. And the last one is extremely important, which is posters and banners. So posters, banners, advertisements, these are the topic which is again a part of graphic design, will be covered in the last lecture. And the best thing is, all of this we are providing it to you just for 2,999. So you need to download our app, click on the link which has been given over there. You will find this particular course over there. You can always click on the link, buy the course, and get connected to us. Get so you need to click on the link, buy the course, and also inform us so that we can put you in our WhatsApp group. Please remember, getting added to that WhatsApp group is very very important, so that आप हमारे faculties के साथ direct interaction और अपने doubts solve कर सकते हो. So I hope this video was useful for you. So please like and follow us on YouTube channel and as well as on our Instagram. Thank you.